Hello everyone, my name is Umair and today I'm going to start my crypto course from scratch. I'll explain the things in basic so even if you are new, so you'll be able to start trading at the end of this course. So let's start from the introduction. So what is crypto? So as shown in notes that crypto is a digital currency and it works on a blockchain technology and it's decentralized. It means that no single person, government or any bank can control it. Instead, the transactions are verified through network of computers. Some cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So if I talk about like price action, so price action means that it's basically a study of the price movements through charts, and by studying price action, we take a decision of buying or selling. So we will be discussing price action in detail. So let's start with trend. So in market there are like three trends. One is upward, uptrend, downtrend, and then sideways trend. So uptrend means that market keep moving up. So it's very important that market never move upward like this. Market move upward in a way like it moves first up, down, up like this. So this is how market moves, and I'll also be showing you the some graphs. So this is how market moves in uptrend, and then there is downtrend. So downtrend means that market keep moving down like this, down, up, down like this. Then we have sideways trend. Sideways trend means that market is stuck in a range and market keep moving in that specific range like this. So let's move to the trading view. Okay, so the trading view is basically a website in which we have visibility like this of different coins, different charts, and we can use this to create you can say to make a buying or selling decisions. So you can use my link in the description and you can sign up into a trading view. Okay, so I was talking about the uptrend. So here I'll show you the uptrend. You can see that here the market started to move up and it moved up like this till here. So these all are candles, and I'm going to explain you in my upcoming lecture about each and every candle, like whatever candles are visible here, each and every candle show psychology and logic. So I'll be explaining you in our upcoming lectures. So you can see that this is basically a whole uptrend, like market started to move from here and it moved till here. So as this lecture is introductory, so I'll be just I'll be quick and explaining things, and then we will be moving in detail in our upcoming lectures. So here you can see that if suppose that if you had bought a coin from here, so market moves till here, you can see till here. It's like 120%. That's crazy. We can do this, but obviously we have to study the candles, the price chart, and then we can even make these purchasing decisions, and we can earn a lot through this. Okay, so similarly we have a downtrend as shown. As you can see that here you can see the market was in a sideways trend, like market was stuck in some specific range. If you see that, you can see here the market is stuck and it's in a sideways trend. But after some time, you can see here that then market starts to move down. So it's again a downtrend till here even. Yeah. So again, there is a sideways trend. Again, you can see that there is a not that much, but again an uptrend here. A bit short uptrend, but still we can say it a uptrend. So this is all about trends, and we will be discussing this in detail. Then we have very important thing, and that's support and resistance. So market always move in support and resistance zones, and let me draw those for you. So support means that market first move down to some specific range and then it moves up like this. You can see that this is our support zone. We can say Okay, so we can use this horizontal line as I have shown, and let's move to some other time frame. I will also be explaining you about the time frame in my upcoming lectures. So you can see here, let's find some support zone. That here you can see that market, whenever market come here, market moves up. So this will be basically our support zone, this one. So it can be in a range, it cannot be a specific price. So see, like, since there are many candles which in which market was moving down, and then you can see that suddenly market move up, then again market move here, then again it move up, again market come here, and then again there was a pump. So imagine if you can find the support zone, so you can, how much you can earn. You can just buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, so this is how supports work. Again, I'll be explaining all of these things in a very detailed way, and I'll be helping out you guys to find the support zones. So what is resistance now? Resistance mean that market comes to a specific level and after that market moves down. Here you can see the resistance. The same point which here it's a support, here it's acting as a resistance. Like, market was here, okay, market moves up, and see that when market came here it suddenly moved down, and then market came here, it's moved down, then again market moved here, it again moved down. So we can see that if market is moving to a specific level and again it's moving down, which it means that it's a resistance. So this is basically a resistance, and again you can see that market is again moving here, and till here, market was, this zone was basically acting as a resistance. Again, I'll be having a complete dedicated video for support and resistance, so as this is just an introduction. So what are time frames? Whenever you are trading, so there are a lot of time frames. Like, there is a 1 day time frame, 1 week time frame. So I will recommend you to use 1 day time frame, 4 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame, as I'm gonna show it here right now. In 1 day time frame, basically this is a sum of like, you can say 24-hour movement of the market, like how much market has moved in a one whole day. 4 hour time frame, it means that that basically that 1 day time frame, it's broken into six candles in simple way, like you can say like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these six candles are basically, I can say that within 1 day, this is how much market has moved. So each candle show the price movement of 4 hours. Then we have 1 hour candle. So 1 hour show that market movement of each hour. Like 24 candles can show that how much market has moved within one single day. So there are a lot of things to learn, and stay with me, and we will be learning a lot together. So again, we have EMA. EMA is basically an indicator. It's basically an estimated moving average. So we basically use it to find some support and resistance, and to know if market is bullish or bearish. Bullish means that if market is, is in uptrend, it's moving up, so it's bullish. And if I say that market is bearish, it means that market is moving down. So what is EMA? So EMA is basically estimated moving average, and it's basically a sum of its previous candle, and you can say an average of basically previous candle. So let me show you that how it works. We can select EMA from here. So EMA 9 means that basically it's a average of previous 9 candles. You can see here that estimated moving average market is above EMA 9, means in previous 9 hours, and if we take a sum of it, so market is above EMA 9, which means that market is bullish right now. And if we see EMA 21, so we can change the color. from here. Go to style, so we can at least differentiate between both. So you can see here that when EMA 9 has crossed EMA 21, so market give like a bit boom and it moves up. So again, this cannot be only purchasing DCN. We have to take care of a lot of things which we will be discussing in upcoming lectures. Then we have RSI. RSI means relative strength index. It basically shows the momentum of market. I'll recommend to see RSI in bigger time frame, maybe in a 4 hour time frame or maybe a 1 day time frame. So RSI means, let me show you RSI. So RSI means that if like market is at RSI 70, this means that market has been overbought and market is now maybe gonna move down. And as you have seen that here market was at RSI 70, then market suddenly gave a dip. So if you have bought a coin and if RSI has hit 70, so you must sell your coin, I must say. Similarly, if market is if RSI is low, like here you can see that RSI was low, like it was as low as 35. So after that, what happened? You can see that market move bit up. So it's basically again cannot be only trading DCN, but still you can see that if market is coming here and RSI has started to move up from here, so that's a hint basically that market will move up. So again, this is how we can use our RSI indicator. Then again, we have a lot of indicators. We have a lot to learn. So please stay with me, and we will be learning a lot together. Thank you so much.